Hey guys, what's going on? It's your boy Crypto Clay, and you might be wondering where I've been lately. I have some really exciting news. My wife gave birth to our firstborn child, Chloe May, and we can't be more excited. It's been truly a blessing to have her come into this world, and I'm so proud to be a father. But that's honestly been taking up all of my time recently. We also just moved to our lake house. I finished my job in the Air Force, so there's been a lot of life changes over the past month, and I have just been super busy with all of that. I'm still trying to get back into the swing of things with crypto and see where everything is at. There's been so many changes with the ETH merge. I previously said that my next video is going to be about Findora. I'm still really excited to put a video out about that. I just haven't had time to do so yet. There's also tons of stuff going on in the background with Cerebral Entertainment that I would like to share with you guys pretty soon here. There is, still stuff going on with the Harmony Bridge hack and all of that is coinciding with it, to discuss with you guys. And I'm really looking forward to diving back into it all. I'm gonna get going here again within the next week or two, hopefully, get the channel back up and running. But I just wanted to share that with you guys, let you know that I'm still here, that I'm still kicking. I just have had a lot going on, and so I wanted to share that with you. Thanks for watching, guys. Crypto Clay out.